Hey everybody, it is me, Mike Vanderpool. I'm the lead faculty of the Visual Communication Graphic Design program at Northwest State Community College, and I'm here in the esports lab joined by Josiah Sprunger and CJ Pierce. Hey guys, how's it going today?
It is
Great.
going all right.
All right, all right. We are here today specifically because we are running a game design academy. This is something that we came up with. You two have helped to develop the program, and you are also then the teacher and TAs kind of for what we've got going on. So, for those people that don't know, the Game Design Academy is a 12-week program. It's designed to be after school, 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday from approximately 3:30 till 5 p.m. Monday is the day where we focus on instruction, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are the days where we kind of go through and work with tutorials and kind of get hands-on in designing our games. I want to make a fundamental distinction about like kind of design and development. So we are building games here using a program called Game Maker Studio 2, but we're not really getting into the hardcore coding of the games. We're spending more time focusing on design, and that's kind of the way that things look and feel and they operate. So this gives us an opportunity to explore a whole bunch of stuff, not just inside of game design, but in communication, collaboration, all that kind of good stuff that'll help you no matter what it is that you choose to do in life. So CJ, how is it going with this first group of students that we've got coming in here?
Yeah, so it's going really good. We're about 2 weeks in with our first group of students. They're doing a great job. They're learning a lot. We just started actually building our games a few days ago. It's going really well. Students are getting an introduction to some programming as well as just how design goes into building games, starting with sprites, so the graphics within a game, how they move, how you have to program them to work. It's actually going really well, and I'm super excited to see the games that these students come up with.
Yeah, because we are covering programming concepts, even though we're not necessarily writing like Java or JavaScript or anything like that. We still are applying the concepts of code, which is cool because I know Josiah, you've got a background here. You graduated from Northwest State from the CS program, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Awesome. So how are things going on your end here?
They're going really well. Yeah. The students seem to be really engaged and excited about what we're doing. Yeah, like CJ said, we're really getting into starting to get into Game Maker, starting to build our games. And I think it's really excited. I'm more of a programmer, not so much of a designer. So the design part, CJ kind of handles that. And I kind of help more with the programming stuff. But I also really like video games. So getting to share that excitement that I have for that stuff is really fun.
Yeah, that's one of the super cool things about our team too, is that we're kind of a mixture of designers. So I am a graduate of Northwest State from the Visual Communications Graphic Design program that Mike is the lead faculty on. So I have a background in design, how we make stuff look good, and Josiah has a background in programming, how to make stuff work. And so that kind of is one of the cool things. We have another designer and another programmer on our team too to help with the instruction. So it's really, students are going to get a diverse education in this.
And I think what's awesome is that we've been able to do this and launch this during with COVID and dealing with some of the remote stuff, right? We've set up a Discord server to be able to chat with the participants in the program. You guys are in the lab here at Northwest State, and we're using this to broadcast kind of from. But people who want to take this thing, that you can do it from anywhere. I think that's awesome, right? Where we found ways to connect people through the technologies that will again not only serve them well here, but also like in a career, right? Any bit of experience that you can take from having worked remotely with other people is just another positive thing that you can put on your resume, part of an experience and a story that you can tell when you sit down and get that interview. So the design of the course, when we talk about that, right, we talk about Monday being kind of like the instruction day, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I don't want to say that they're repetitive, but like they can be, because we know that life happens and people can miss and have stuff going on, doctor's appointment, sporting event, whatever it is. So the way we have it designed is like missing one of those days or even two of those days isn't really going to set you back too far, if at all. The other thing we've got going on is the rolling starts. So we are starting a new cohort the first Monday of every month in March and April. So I think it's March 5th, and then I can't remember exactly the day in April, but the first Monday of every month, you'll be able to actually get started, get involved. You'll be working alongside with some people who have got some experience, which I think will help. But like, you can come in knowing nothing, start of the month, and just start making cool stuff happen. So if you're interested, you don't have to wait too long for the next one to start up. How are people getting involved in this? I mean, obviously they can contact us directly, but then we'll forward them over to our custom training solutions people here on campus who are helping us with some of the enrollment stuff. There is a free option for people who meet eligibility requirements through Jobs and Family Services. So just go ahead and email myself, mvanderpool@northweststate.edu. Make sure that email gets populated up here. Or CJ, would you like them to kind of contact you directly on that stuff too?
Yeah, or you guys can get a hold of me at cjeriahp@gmail.com, and I'll like right there. I'm another source point of contact for that, and we'll get you sorted away and get you designing games.
So yeah, we've got that option for free tuition through Jobs and Family Services. We also have a self-pay option. The self-pay option, right, get you 12 weeks of instruction, get you a cool sticker. Hey, you guys got your sticker today?
Got
There
my
we go.
Guys
sticker.
got his right there.
Oh,
yeah.
did you
on the
put it on
back
your
of my
phone
phone.
case?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got a cool logo for the program. Also, you will get a copy of Game Maker Studio 2, which is a paid program that you'll walk away with when you're done with this whole thing. And then also hoodies. We've got some branded cool logo hoodies. I think they call that drip. Is that what the kids call it now?
yeah,
Drip?
You're gonna get
Swag,
dripping out,
yeah.
man.
They
Gotta
got
get that swag.
Well, no, I learned that drip is
Oh.
what it is, and swag is how you wear it. So
Ooh,
okay.
like,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
that's
Yeah.
at least
Thanks
what
for the
Alonzo Ball.
education, Chris.
Yeah, Alonzo Ball told me that.
Okay.
Other than that, I mean, my favorite games are role-playing games. I want to make some 8-bit RPG style games
Mhm.
from back in the day, right? Because I'm an old man and anything more than 2 buttons frustrates me.
Yeah.
But like at the end of this experience, this learning experience, there's 2 things that we want people to walk away with, 2 artifacts, right? Number 1 is a level of a game that they've built.
Yeah.
And then number 2 is they're going to do a presentation of a web page that they built to promote their game. So we're also teaching people some basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All that stuff then culminates in the option for them to take a certificate take a test to achieve a certificate, a credential at the end of this learning experience as well. So if you want to get involved, make some games, hang out with some cool people, do some nerd stuff. Hit up myself or CJ. We'll get you in contact with people who can help you figure out how we can potentially make this free for you. Anything else?
I think that's all. We're super
Okay.
excited.
Yeah, we are
We
excited.
want you all to join. We want you all to get designing games. So Yeah. let's rock and roll.
I just need enough people to help build the game company so I can just give you guys ideas and then make the
Yeah.
old man games I
Yeah.
want. 8-bit RPGs for the win.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. Well, thank you. I appreciate everything, all the effort you guys are putting into this, and
Oh, for sure, you're welcome.
let's just keep making it happen here in Northwest Ohio, Northwest State Community College, After School Game Design Academy.
Yes,
Take care,
sir.
everybody.